most favorite meatballs ever. So my mom, as I have been telling you, I take these recipes from my parents' cookbook that we have compiled over the years. I take all the recipes, or I will be taking all the recipes and demonstrating how they are cooked so that my grandchildren and children will have a digitized cookbook along with the hardcover and a website to be able to follow along with their great-grandmother's recipes. So this is my special project, so I'm taking you on my family's journey through all the recipes. So today we're making meatballs. I'm visiting my grandchildren and I want to share with them Grandma's favorite meatballs. So I take my easy little chopper and I am going to chop up my celery and onions, and it's going to be added to 1.5 pounds of chopped meat. So like I said, it's a great easy recipe. Love my chopper. So we take this nice mixture of the breadcrumbs, eggs, celery, onions, cumin, salt, and pepper, all in a nice mixing bowl with our chopped meat. Take your hands with your gloves and give your mixture a nice mix up with all those fresh herbs from the garden. I brought my parsley in from the garden. Parsley and my basil. So I give everything a nice mix. Prepare your skillet on top of your oven. And get ready for your can of tomato sauce, 28-ounce can, or your favorite marinara. But mine is just tomato sauce. All right, we're gonna make a nice roll of meatballs, and it will come out to about 20 to 25 meatballs, depending on your size. Mine are about 2 inches in diameter. Go ahead and get started on rolling your meatballs. Okay, so I have my meatballs already rolled. Came out to about 20 of them. Put your skillet on top of your stove. Add a drizzle of olive oil. And as your pan gets nice and hot, go ahead and just add the meatballs around the whole outside first. Then fill on the inside. All right, our meatballs are nicely snuggled into our pan. Brown them on one side. Take your can of tomato sauce, any brand that you like, and you want to pour it into the meatballs. They should be covered completely. Perfect. Just like that, nicely covered. Take our cover. Cover them up and let them cook for 45 minutes and you will have a beautiful dinner. While they're cooking, go ahead and prep your salad. Nice side of salad and your favorite pasta. So tonight it's spaghetti. Recipe is down below. Hope you enjoy Rochelle's Kosher Kitchen special Grandma's meatballs.